Hi, so I'm sitting next to the stonecrop here, and it's doing really good, except it needs to be deadheaded. Stonecrop is pretty cool. It's a succulent. There's a bunch of new growth right there. Sorry, my hands are dirty. Gardener. And it produces little roots all along the stems. Here you can see them right there. And if you touch them to the ground, they will root into the soil and create a new plant. And so pretty much most of this is new. I planted it like right here, I believe. And it's spreading into this phlox that I planted. But it produces yellow flowers, and when they die, they produce little seed heads like this. Kind of reminiscent of yarrow. And you just remove them by following the stem all the way down to where it meets the stem, I guess, also the vining part, and take it off, and that's it. Follow the stem all the way down. You don't have to do a very good job either. You can just break it wherever. They break easily at this point in the season. Some of them no longer have their seed heads. There, following it down. We have this drip hose here, but we haven't hooked it up yet, so it doesn't work. There we go. There's one. That one doesn't want to come off, so you can just use any shears that will fit down there and cut. This piece is green, so I bet you if you just put it down on the soil, even just like this, it'll produce plants that look like this, more sedum like this. Here you can see a stem flower growing off of like a vining part. Here you can see like the different highways of vines of the stonecrop. There. That's all of it. And what you're left with is this dry bouquet of pretty stonecrop flowers.